Hey guys, we are so excited to show you the Sany ST230V. It finally hit our lot here in Verona, Kentucky. We're here to tell you a little bit about it. Everyone knows that the skid steer is critical to any machine lineup, especially in the United States. That's why Sany wanted to make sure that it was going to be right for you, the American operator. And you guys, they got it right. Every detail on this skid steer has been fine-tuned and re-engineered, and we could not be more happy with how this turned out. So what is this machine comparable to? The 230 represents its rated operating capacity. Think Cat 255, John Deere 325, and the Kubota 75. Everybody knows that Sany's known for their warranty, and just like any other machine in their lineup, the skid steer has the longest warranty of any other brand. This one comes with a 3-year, 3,000-hour warranty. If you're familiar with the Sany excavator lineup, this machine has the same engine as the SY80U, a 74 horsepower Yanmar engine. And as you can tell, it's super wide open, easy to maintain, easy to operate, and it doesn't require depth. She comes standard with an auto-reversing fan, which is going to keep debris out of your engine and reduce maintenance time. When it comes to skid steers, everybody wants high flow, and this guy's gonna come standard with that. Plus, it has an automatic shifting 2-speed transmission. This skid steer comes with 400mm zigzag tracks, which is gonna be best for general uses, snow, and side hill traction. This skid steer comes with Rexroth hydraulic pumps, and its standard flow is gonna be 21 GPM, high flow is 31.6. That means you're gonna be able to run whatever attachment you want. Buckets, grapples, augers, brush cutters, snow tools, really whatever you need. You've got a dump height of 7 feet 8 inches for your dump truck loading, a bucket breakout force of 5,700 foot-pounds, and it comes standard with a hydraulic quick coupler, so you can swap your attachments with the touch of a button. And guys, I know I'm only 5'2", but we have a technician who's 6'7", and he was shocked to feel how comfortable it was in here. Sany wanted to make sure that they were building a cab that would accommodate any operator. This skid steer has a pilot hydraulic system. It's fluid instead of electronics. Your most skilled operators will feel the difference. Sany has a couple taglines, and one is everything you need and nothing you don't. That means you've got high technology that's super easy to use. A large touchscreen monitor, Bluetooth compatibility, and a backup camera to keep you safe in the cab. This skid steer comes with everything you'd expect. Ride control, float, a decelerator pedal, and a sealed and pressurized cab to keep it quiet when you're operating. So guys, there you have it, Sany's new ST230V skid steer. What are you waiting for? Come to Newman Tractor and check it out for yourself.